just uploaded the first video that I did. I cracked the phone and dropping it from like 100 meters. You have to check that one out first, because if you didn't, then that would just be pretty sad. And I literally spent like $500 on this video, including I'm getting a new GoPro, which I'm spending like $1,000. So you better like and subscribe. I'm talking about like 100,000 views now. Anyways, so we're going to open this up today. Should we just start peeling this up? I guess so. Right. So, here it is. I kind of like, some parts of it is intact, but there's some sockets, like there's a lot of like weird junk inside there now. Oh my god, it's glued on there still. Oops. Oh my god, there's glass. There's like, oh my god, there's shreds all over my table. This might not go that well. But I got an idea. Let's use a pencil to pop it open like this. I don't know if this will work that well, but oh my god, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a ton of stuff inside there. Okay. Alright. I don't think I can get this out. But, yeah. Oh, nope, never mind. Okay. Let's open this up. Like, there's this thing that's making it all stay together. I might need to get scissors. There we go. Alright, so let's see. Guess I could just cut this open like that. There you go. Oh, look. That's pretty easy. Oh my god. And this is the front screen. It looks like there's like a solar panel right here. Just a metal plate. This thing came out. I'm not that good with science and stuff, so if you guys know what this is, then please tell me. What is this? Is this like an Apple battery or something for it? Guess so. The charger port right here is where the charger thing is. So there's like this thing connecting from the battery from here, and I guess this small battery, this small thin battery, is powering everything. Well, let's try and take this battery out, I guess. If I even can. Maybe I can use scissors once again. Scissors always do the job. And well, this is it. This is the whole inside. If you know what any of this stuff is, like this little red thing, it looks like a switch, and then like, oh wow. Well, like I don't really know how iPhones work, but this is more or less it. Oh no, nope. Right here. Right here, it looks like there's like an SD card or something. Oh my god. It smells. Oh my god, it smells like burning plastic. So there has to be somewhere inside here where there's like solar panel or something. Or like SD card, or I can at least take that out. Oh. Maybe, okay. I don't think I can get this in. If you have any ideas how to get all this out, please tell me. And I just want to say something. I've been doing YouTube for about like 5 years now, and I'm only up at 14 subscribers, so now 12, because someone unsubscribed. So I'm trying to reach right now 1,000, but since I'm spending like $2,000 on these videos, that takes me like a year to get. You need to please subscribe.
In the next video. So yeah, it was just a little short video of what's inside it. I remember this from the video. Anyways, see you in the next one. Bye-bye!